voice, I think you kind of know what it is today. Yep, get your stretching in. Angie, you get your stretching in too. Yep, we hit the trail. Today I have my favorite hiking friend with me, my lovely wife, and Angus and Levi off for the trail. We're around Clark's Creek. You see the poles that are starting to stack up. If you need one, just borrow it and put it back when you're done. Just watching my dogs, Levi and Angus. They get so daggone excited for this. If all they had to do was just wake up and hike. Gee, look at that. And then it just is like the land of plenty. Wonder where I'll pitch a tent tonight. Yeah, you gotta go 200 yards off over there over those rocks, and then you'll come to a second clock of rocks. And there you can pitch your tent over by those other rocks. Setting tone for 2021. Bucket list of through hike. My song today? Yes. Oh, Pennsylvania, where your boots go to die. Oh, Pennsylvania, where your boots go to die. There's those rocks of Pennsylvania again. There's Daffodil, my favorite hiking mate. My wife of 26 plus years. Thank you, Southern Sound. Hey, Toddy D on the AT, taking a second to talk a little bit about what I do after a hike. Southern Sounds, again, thank you for the beautiful hat. And last but not least, I also want to thank product Fields of Ambrosia for the actual lavender beard spray. It is amazing, I must admit. Fluffens the beard, lightens it, and makes it smell good. And yes, after every good hike, we have breads and cheese. My wife puts out a beautiful, beautiful spread of breads and cheese. And then 7 Moons is my favorite red blend after every good hike. It helps you hydrate your knees, get over arthritis, and move smoother the next day. Somewhat.